Pussy Hon Okudzeto Ablakwa boys trending pa agenda boys trending Twitter and do not come out no. If a video be about him a video no go viral. Killers security video no much say unia or arrogant. A bit say or this or yes and a bonnie be anyone. You better that particular video not watch the wife on that. All of his a bit Nigeria. Lady be any husband hour 30 minutes after their wedding was here I say a bear man ex-girlfriend Anna ehunya mienim ekum na behwe kwan crop ekum mu and more other stories. Aha Penyah Block Media message any day mo obe like video no other room obe subscribe button me some click notification and connect latest updates na be kire wadwen area ma me e wo comment section oto fa social media be bia e honum at Penyah Block Media ya na wa hwe na wa follow. Let's start with Okudzeto Ablakwa, a member of parliament for Northtown constituency. I was a minister for foreign affairs. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa abusia killers trend no e Twitter na ebi chiremu a oy arrogant ebi chiremu there be odise oyesa na video kura manfo security about him ebi chiremu oy arrogant no. Let's watch the video.
You're not Thomas. You didn't call the driver. You're not Thomas. Champion. Let me stop for foreign affairs.
Maria.
You're not Thomas. You're not Thomas.
All right.
You're not Thomas.
Where is the driver? We are late. I told you.
All right, team champ. All right, team champ.
You're not Thomas.
What was he saying? Coming from where? Do you have your car here? Your car here? I'll be fine with any car.
How far is
But we spoke more than
how do I get
an appointment and come to the office?
I should go appointment and come to the office.
You're not being.
So this is the video go viral. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa about 3 days ago Mahama declare the economic dialogue no. Owie ye na I was say obia ekoni baby obia ekoni we e ho no kwesi say na honorable kra o delay ho no che kakra onu mu have a conversation that e ho no na ne right eba car ebe fa na ko eba wagina ho went me musa ne question woni na ani nkomo ne car abeduro ye bo aben pempia na bo ye aye busy e ko furu car akono yes na 2 days time kra no I was be preparing for Independence Day celebration because Penyah some travelers from outside. I was saying to me, every woman now acquire this kind of operation, to me quite transaction are successful. And when only a person will meet honorable. Anna Chama and said, to meet me, go book an appointment, come to the office and let's talk. Assembling in any social media yes omontiasie say honorable ayesa. Anyway, a bit omo pe abatua sa hombrasiye sa mbedi da form. But umunya about we are then they become pompous. Maybe ya homaso when they kasa kromo twifa was when ya the it is no. You're right. Or your minister now no onye we are not in campaign time. Campaign time is over. There are some things that they do that just to get you voting for them. That's it. It's about time Ghana we must know the political tactics. Campaign time there, they can do everything. I don't have any problem with this particular video. I am right. Even me, Krana, even if I were the person, I'll walk away. I'll walk because I stood there for some minutes. You couldn't come. I'm all for doing commercial change in it. Oh, baby. Now on the right, are you ready? I'll best work on. I heard nowadays, you know, already best at the high life. Now I'm when you now man because he was even busy. As we understand, say campaign time, campaign time is different from real life. It now no, you still expect John Dumelo to come and pan for food. No, he will never do that. They do that on campaign time. They will never do that. You expect Dumelo to come and braid lady's hair as minister. He will never do that. We for grow and understand these simple tactics. Others in Timor Moka say, oh, you're arrogant. I mean, I don't have any problem with this particular video. And or you're right. I say, oh, yes, sir. If let's go into Nigeria. Yako Nigeria is here, yeah. Lady B, Abusia. Only Nukunu Aware. Na Aware, no. After 30 minutes, Umewu, ya. And I want us to read. It's American kind of intro. So I'm reading this particular story from our official website, that is penyahblog.com. You can also log on to the website to read more interesting news and other stories that happen across the globe. Sadly, a newlywed couple has passed away 30 minutes after eating fried rice prepared at their own wedding. Now say, fried rice our form anyway no. Omudi fried rice dronu omankasa wedding. 30 minutes time. And now, after saying Kumwa, Obehu de Elibia, investigations revealed that the man's ex, Sylvia, was responsible for this heinous act. Next, Berman ex-girlfriend, I have friend Sylvia, just a Omi as Tina Stadium Amfa. Sylvia, Anna, just a civil no a boom, a day, a company fast. Sylvia and Joe dated for 6 years before he traveled abroad, but their relationship soured, leading to a breakup. Next, Sylvia, Bermana, now no one for now, only the new wife, Ewu, Nefre Bermanu Joe, and an ex-girlfriend, a friend of Sylvia. 89 say, Sylvia no Joey, almost to one fair dated, almost dated a fair fan of be a nice. Berman etu kwa yam adom be no nya sika tu kwa fi Nigeria ekwa amana USA. Na USA ni mo no na say if you na say common attention bibia things are too slow. Emma odo no in fact am ye de biem a lady to almost a breakup. A year later, Joe started communicating with Sylvia's best friend, Celine. They got close and their conversation led to a romantic relationship. A community chirimu. Na say Joe no after say ne girlfriend Sylvia a breaking up no. We're moving on. One get outside the circle of Sylvia. Or circle of Sylvia, no best friend Celine. And on no cost that you come on. And at the end, a colleague is almost a date. Joe proposed to Celine, who then informed Sylvia about the relationship, seeking her approval. Get away with Jimmy. Celine no Jimmy. Celine with Jimmy for any say ya pause na with Jimmy because Joe and Celine start relationship no. Celine kobisa Joe no ex. Sylvia now say Celine the best friend. Celine we say not Joe and Sylvia date. Joe abefa or proposing to you who kobisa Celine who kobisa Sylvia for her approval as a menti as anami. Look at this. Sylvia responded saying it was okay, but she was secretly offended, feeling betrayed. Sylvia can say, oh, normal. I say, it's okay. It's okay. You can continue. But all can you know money there. And a shin of pass and a friend or no one friend, a boyfriend, a friend. In a shocking revelation, Sylvia confessed to lacing the couple's foot with a deadly substance at their wedding, seeking revenge. Next, I did not a course between Celine and Joe. No. And Sylvia here to the point say, I know just Sylvia so any Celine the best friend. It yet they are during the wedding preparation prayers, she will play significant role. It's wedding ni no. Omo no mo no aduane Emma Celine any Joe no. Na Sylvia e ka ho bi. Sylvia no ye Joe ex na. Joe I forgetting as abefa or no best friend Celine ni date no. Na on no amomo wedding aduane. And the unia. She was looking for ways and means to seek revenge, to take revenge on the ex-boyfriend Joe. Say we're living a funny best friend. It needs any revenge in the say we're in the mini and mamma the revenge no any or poison Ediano. Sylvia felt devastated when Joe ended their relationship and proposed to her best friend Celine. And broso. Only me date where Jamie abe my best friend. Maybe who say my best friend per crime, my best friend have a catch me say, the pass me see payment, mentiasi. That's it. What could I be aware? And I had no better mudentia. Sylvia better mudentia a year. Sylvia Trimu said, I did 3 abortions and the last almost cost my womb. I kept turning down suitors, believing I was in love. No Trimu, only do tino. Abortion, in fact, Umuye bipa, Emma Muya Makuma, 3. Emma last one crown, Yamian Nukrin, a Kenyamin qua, and goes all losing our day. And I would be free, sir. Ijenie se be mani ma hwanya me ma ya abortion 3 what to go kodura mona ne na wagya sabe family best friend ena natna now we dey me na manya maduan any obedi kai. I thought I was in love with someone who felt the same about me. Investing my all in him, I sacrificed everything for this guy, Sylvia revealed. Neza Sylvia chirimu a be ma no ne tena Joe ne de na odo ne pa sacrifice the be bia de maju. By the end of the day, Joe and the Savior is evil. And because of that, now Savior was looking for ways and means to take revenge. And no cinema during wedding day of Selene and Joe, no, and now Savior come home here and no will take action against them. I say, or poison food or yama couples. So we do it 30 minutes after taking that food, no, and as a Selene and Joe. Etwa no nanom ewo so as esi ande Sylvia eda aban kuku asem we esi wo Nigeria just Africa there relationship in Africa yeah something else toxic relationship people are in toxic relationship even in the nanu ya dey see Kennedy campus and the boyfriend Ekuno just look at this the lady doesn't love you and you feel like I've been with this lady for a long time and she must love me at all costs and because of that since she doesn't love you, you have eliminated her. Look at this. Charlie, it be serious, but obet my channel in a comment section concerning Okudzeto Ablakwa Mabo Chim say, oh yeah, arrogant. Matro in the video. No. Any answer me, what advice do you have to give to people concerning relationship? Share idea, comment section. I hype on your blog media.